Understanding the recycling bin. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common term you might encounter every day: the recycling bin. This phrase isn't just about language. It's about a sustainable practice that helps our environment. So let's dive into what it means and why it's important. A recycling bin is a container used for collecting materials that can be recycled. These materials include paper, glass, plastic, and metal items that can be reprocessed and used again, reducing waste and conserving resources. When you see a recycling bin, it's a call to action to think before you throw. Using a recycling bin is part of a larger process called recycling. It's a way to take care of our planet by minimizing waste. Recycling reduces the need for raw materials, saves energy, and decreases pollution. It's a simple step with a big impact, and it starts with choosing the right bin. To use a recycling bin effectively, you need to know what goes inside it. Not all waste is recyclable. Typically, items like clean paper, certain plastics, glass bottles, and metal cans are recyclable. Always check for a recycling symbol or local guidelines to ensure you're recycling correctly. Here are some quick tips for using a recycling bin. Rinse containers to remove food waste. Flatten boxes to save space. Don't recycle contaminated items. They can spoil a whole batch. Separate materials if required by your local recycling program. Using a recycling bin is more than just a habit, it's a responsibility. We hope this video helps you understand the value of recycling and how you can contribute to a healthier environment. Remember, every small action counts. Happy recycling, and see you in the next video.